Ladies and gentlemen, gather around and meet the little purple miracle that's been hiding behind your backyard weeds. The name is Cleome Rutidosperma. Cleome Rutidosperma. Yes, that small plant you probably stepped on 1,000 times could be the reason your blood sugar behaves itself. Yet your joints stop complaining and your body says, "Thank you for noticing me." Once again, I will say, welcome to the world of Herbal Solutions Enterprises, where we don't just chew leaves, we understand them. General description of Cleome Rutidosperma. Now, Cleome Rutidosperma, also known as purple cleome or white spider flower, is that humble roadside herb that refuses to die no matter how many times the cutlass passes by. It's like the village version of Bruce Willis. Tough, resilient, and always bouncing back like a boss. It grows everywhere. On your farm, near your kitchen, even by that lazy goat that eats everything. But inside those trifoliate leaves and purple flowers lies powerful healing magic. What are the major active constituents? Let's talk about what's inside this tiny grain pharmacy that God created for us. It's loaded with flavonoids, alkaloids, tannins, saponins, glycosides, and phenolic compounds. Sounds like a chemistry exam, right? That's what it takes. But here is the fun part of it. These are nature's soldiers fighting free radicals in our body, inflammation, bacteria, and anything that wants to mess with your body. In short, Cleome Rutidosperma is your Herbal Avengers team. What are the medicinal benefits? One of them is diabetes management. Now, for our brothers and sisters who love fufu and rice but fear the sugar level, this plant is your silent partner. It helps regulate blood sugar, supports insulin sensitivity, and gives your pancreas a much-needed vacation. Scientists even say it performs almost as well as glibenclamide, and it doesn't cost half your salary. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief. You know that joints that creaks louder than a rusty gate, Cleome can help. It cools inflammation, soothes rheumatism, and even tests arthritis. Pack your load and go, like you normally tell those evil demons in your church. Pack your load and go. Just apply it as a poultice or like a paste, or drink it like a herbal tea, and your body will start singing hallelujah in tune. Antimicrobial and wound healing. This plant fights bacteria and fungi like a spiritual battle without candles or incense. It cleans wounds, heals boils, and keeps infections running far for their lives. Your skin will thank you for introducing it to Cleome. It's basically like Dettol, but 100% natural. Antioxidant properties. You ever wondered why some people age like fine wine, while others age like banana in the sun? It's the antioxidants in them. Cleome Rutidosperma is full of them, neutralizing free radicals that cause aging, fatigue, and cell damage. Drink it and your body says, finally, some respect. Having cough, let's talk about the respiratory and the fever treatment part of this Cleome. You have cough, fever, or that stubborn catarrh that won't leave, don't worry. Cleome's got your back. The leaf juice clears the chest, eases breathing, and helps your body fight fever naturally. One sip and you will breathe better than a choir singer on a Sunday morning in church. Yes, let's talk about the reproductive and urinary tract, urinary health. Now we enter the adult corner. Cleome acts as a gentle diuretic, helping to flush the urinary tract both in men and women and support fertility in women. Some even say helps regulate menstruation. So yes, it's not just a healer, it's also a relationship counselor for your body. Herbal decoction for diabetes and internal use. We want to talk about how these things are prepared. Now we're getting close there. Okay, herbalists in training, here is the kitchen part. Take a handful of Cleome leaves, fresh or dry, about 30 grams, weigh with a digital scale. Boil it in 2 cups of clean water for 10 to 15 minutes, strain it, and let it cool. Take half a cup morning and evening for 2 to 3 weeks. And please, don't go adding sugar because we are fighting diabetes, not sponsoring it. Leaf juice for fever, asthma, and detoxification. Pound those fresh leaves, squeeze the juice, mix a tablespoon, I said a tablespoon, not a teaspoon, in half a cup of warm water. Drink once daily for 3 to 5 days. It may taste bitter, but don't worry. So does the truth, and both are good for you. Poultice, that is the paste of the leaf, for pain, swelling, and skin infection. Got a swelling or boil that's trying to make a political statement on your body? Crush the leaves into a paste, apply it and cover lightly. Leave it for 2 to 3 hours. You will feel the relief before you even say Rutidosperma properly, before you can pronounce it properly. Herbal baths, yes, herbal baths for body pain and inflammation. Boil a handful of leaves in 4 liters of water. Cool it a bit and bath with it morning and night as much as you can tolerate. It shouldn't be too hot, neither should it be too cold. You will feel your body thank you in a language you didn't know existed. The body will be telling you thank you. You will say, what a magic. But it's not a magic, it's nature. The power behind and inside this Cleome leaf. It's like a spa therapy. When you go to spa, when you come out, you feel so relieved. But this Cleome version is the village version. Safety and precaution. Now, before you go drinking a bucket of Cleome because of what I just said, and because of its natural, calm down. Herbs are powerful. Use them with respect. Anything you're taking, use it with respect. Just like as you're having water. If you drink water in a wrong way, you're going to get the consequences. Avoid during pregnancy and breastfeeding. And always consult your herbal practitioner like as I am, or a doctor if you are on any orthodox medication. I'm not discrediting orthodox medication, don't get me wrong, but I'm telling you, there is power in the herbs that we are overlooking. Remember, natural doesn't mean reckless. Don't be reckless with these herbs, please. Don't. In summary, therefore, Rutidosperma isn't just a weed, it's a wonder of God. It helps manage diabetes, inflammation, infections, and aging, all in one small purple package. This is proof that God hid his pharmacy in our backyards, and we are finally learning to open it now. There are a lot of fake drugs everywhere. Turn back to the herbs, you get relief. So go ahead, appreciate nature, stay healthy, and remember that Herbal Solutions Enterprises is poised to promoting natural health through science and tradition. May God bless we all as we apply wisdom. Thank you.